The crypto markets just witnessed another major milestone as Circle, the issuer of the popular stablecoin USDC, saw its stock soar after debuting on the public markets. This move comes as part of a growing wave of crypto-related IPOs, signaling renewed investor appetite and institutional confidence in blockchain-native businesses. Circle's IPO, which had been delayed multiple times due to regulatory uncertainty and volatile market conditions, finally went live on the New York Stock Exchange. The stock opened above expectations and surged more than 18% on the first day of trading, pushing the company's valuation well beyond early projections. What's driving this excitement? For starters, Circle's business model is strongly tied to the growing adoption of stablecoins in global finance. USDC is widely used in DeFi, cross-border payments, and tokenized finance infrastructure. The company's revenue from interest, income, and stablecoin circulation has made it a standout performer even during bearish cycles. But perhaps more important is what this IPO represents. It's the second major crypto-native firm to go public this year, after BitGo's recent listing. And it signals that traditional investors are warming up to digital asset infrastructure providers. As the crypto industry matures, investors appear to be shifting their focus from high-volatility coins to more stable, service-based revenue models, and Circle fits that narrative perfectly. Analysts suggest that this is just the beginning, with Ripple, Kraken, and even ConsenSys reportedly preparing their IPO filings. The market could be entering a new cycle of legitimacy and capital inflow. Circle's strong performance may also encourage fintech and TradFi firms with crypto exposure to accelerate their own public listing plans. On the regulatory front, Circle's IPO is being watched closely. The company has made transparency a major part of its brand, releasing regular audit reports and working closely with U.S. regulators. If it can maintain that image and performance in the public eye, it could become a poster child for compliant, scalable crypto businesses in the U.S. In summary, Circle's successful IPO debut and stock surge could mark a turning point for the digital asset space. Not only does it validate the market's confidence in stablecoin infrastructure, but it also sets the tone for what could be a massive wave of public listings in the crypto sector. For investors, traders, and crypto entrepreneurs alike, this is a moment worth paying attention to.